Hello everyone, I'm Heidi Shegrud, landscape architect with Herriman City, and I'm here to share with you the conceptual design for 3 future parks on the north side of Herriman. First, the Jackson Park is located south of 118th and west of Mustang Trail Way in the Jackson-Teton Village neighborhoods. This 7.8-acre neighborhood park features a possible amenity list of a multi-use field, a medium and a large pavilion with a restroom, an adventure hillside playground, pickleball courts, parking lot, pump track, and a park trail system. Next is the Teton Ranch Park. It's located directly south of the Jackson Park and will connect with a pedestrian bridge spanning over the Midas Creek Trail system. Possible amenities at this park include a paved trail with benches, swings, an open lawn area, and a pavilion with a fireplace. Finally, the Midas Creek Pavilion is located east of Mustang Trail Way and north of the Denali neighborhood along the Midas Creek Trail. This area will offer a small spot of shade adjacent to the Midas Creek Trail. All of these amenities at each of these areas are planned to be phased in over time as funding and donations become available. To learn more about these park areas, we encourage you to attend the public open house, which will be held Monday, August 2nd from 5 to 7 p.m. at Crane Park adjacent to City Hall in conjunction with the Hungry Herriman and the Farmers Market. If you can't make that event, you can also submit your input by filling out a public comment form by following the information found on the screen. Come grab something to eat from a food truck, browse the Farmers Market, and learn more about these parks. Hope to see you then.